Hi, my name is James Earnshaw for Lee Stafford, and this is the perfect sleek half ponytail. I'm just starting by saturating the hair down with the heat protection and shine spray to create a really even base. I'd always advise to use a heat protection before using any heat appliance to prevent any damage or any colour fade on the hair. I'm just taking my time to make sure I spray on each section so I get even distribution of the product and brushing it through so I don't overload the hair in one area. Once I've saturated the hair down with the heat protection, I'm then going to go in with the Blow and Go lotion straight onto dry hair on the mid-lengths and ends. It's really great to apply it to the mid-lengths and ends first because you get maximum saturation on the ends, and then just going through and taming those baby hairs. I've just used the blowout brush to smooth through any baby hairs and just smooth the cuticle of the hair. As you can see, as I move the hair back, it just sits a lot flatter and smoother. So now what I'm going to do is go over with the irons to create that glossy shine. I've blow dried the hair through first and then gone over with the straighteners to create a smoother blow dry and to give a longer lasting finish. I'm just making sure I go in at the front and just smooth out those baby hairs by going really closely in. I'm just spraying the brush with hairspray, just so as I bring the hair backwards, I control all of the baby hairs. I'm just spraying it on the hair just to control any flyaways and slick it all up. So I've used a large barrel tongue just to create a slight kick on the ends of the hair. I'm just going to finish with some shine spray to add a little bit of gloss.